I just found the best landing page and sales page builder on the entire internet. Now, just a little background, I've built hundreds of websites, landing pages, sales pages, etc. And I always use ClickFunnels. It's an industry standard. It's a great software. It has tons of features. It's very versatile. But let's be honest, it's a little bit pricey for the average business owner, somebody just getting started. And so when people ask me for the recommendations on website builders or more specifically landing page builders, I never really have a great answer until now. So it's called system.io. And let's just jump right into the most important part, the pricing. So what's awesome about System is that they have a freemium version, which gives you a tremendous amount of just basic features. So for example, sales funnels on the freemium version, you can build 3. That's great. Funnel steps, 15. There's a ton of other things like blogs, courses, automations, workflows, email campaigns. I mean, you could do all kinds of stuff with System beyond just landing pages and sales pages. For my intents and purposes, sales pages and landing pages is primarily what I use this type of software for. But I mean, you could build membership websites, blogs. I mean, there's so many things you could do with this. And a lot of it's included in freemium. So what stands out to me is A/B testing, contacts, sales funnels, and where's domains? There's custom domains. So you get 1 custom domain with freemium. So without paying a single dollar, System gives you a tremendous amount of features, and it's fantastic. And then you've got a bunch of other payment options here, all the way up to $97 a month. I believe the lowest price version of ClickFunnels is $97 a month as well. But you get so much with System for $0 a month. So let me walk you through what the process of building a website is, or building a landing page with this, just to see, so you can see how easy it is. So if I go up here to the top and I hit sales funnels, I did a little test here, but let's do another one. Hit create. Let's call it test 2. By default, obviously, it generates me a little domain name. And we're going to say build an audience. Currency. Okay. All right, funnel has been successfully created. Here we go. So you open it up, and obviously the first page is a squeeze page because I selected leads. You get all these great templates to choose from. I mean, look at them all. There's 30 pages of these. Just keeps going and going. So let's just pick one. How about this one? And I'll just keep it called squeeze page. Let's edit the page. Take a look at it. All right, so here's what got me really hyped about System. There's a lot of web page type builder, landing page type builder websites that are just really clunky. System, it looks like they basically copied and pasted what ClickFunnels has. I mean, look at the little options, the little gear, the copy and paste, the save. Like the buttons look the same, the interface looks very similar. So it's great. It's great. So you can obviously move stuff around however you want. Click and edit. You can add all kinds of, let's add something. So let's add an image. Click and drag. You just put it right here, for example. And there you go. You got an image. We've got, if I want to get rid of this banner up here, which I do, I'm going to get rid of it. Hit the trash can icon. Gone. Simple as that. Let's say I want to add some HTML here. Find raw HTML. Oops, don't click on it. It'll add it to the bottom of the page. Find raw HTML. Click and drag. I'm going to put it underneath this image. Now, if I open this, it says over here on the left, edit code. And there you go. We can add whatever HTML we want right here. That's great. For now, I'll exit that. Let's hit save changes. We have a basic squeeze page. We have the ability to A/B test, which is fantastic because I love to A/B test headlines, especially on like a email capture page or whatever. You have the option to make additional steps in the funnel, just like with ClickFunnels. So by default, you have like a thank you page here, but there could be other variations. Now, by default, obviously it generates you this jumble of letters and numbers for your URL. It's very easy to add a URL, and like I said earlier, it's included in your freemium subscription. So let's just add one really quick just so I can show you how easy it is. Go over to settings and go down to custom domains. Now I'm going to add a domain, and I'll just use an old domain of mine. This is an example, redtreesupply.com. Now it's going to give you this DNS stuff. So wherever you're hosting your domain, you'll have to go in there and edit your DNS settings. Mine's on GoDaddy, so let me just do that really quick. All right, little jump cut here. It actually took about an hour for the DNS settings to update, which is pretty normal. In some cases, it'll actually take 24, maybe even 48 hours to update. But however long it takes, come back later. But here we are. It says ready to use, redtreesupply.com. So all you have to do is go back to your sales funnels under websites at the top. And here we are, test 2. We just made this. And then you click on test 2, and then you up here in the top right where it says funnel settings, and then it says funnel domain. And you just click the drop down and add your new domain, hit save. Now, I don't know how quickly this will update. Let's try it out. redtreesupply.com. I might have to put a www. Let's see. Okay, it's an error page for now. It might take a little while to update, but now you have your domain name. And what's great is this costs you nothing. If you're just starting out, you're just trying to launch your business, you don't want to worry about paying for ClickFunnels. You can do all of this awesome stuff with System.io, including having a custom domain on your web pages, all for free. All in all, just to summarize the video, this is I've played with a lot of landing page and sales page builders in my life. This is by far the best one that I've seen, other than ClickFunnels itself. And honestly, I'm starting to think this might be better than ClickFunnels. I'll let you know in a few months as I use this a little bit more, but absolutely sure for an absolute beginner, this is the best software you can use, just from price alone, price and basic features. So I appreciate you watching. If you're a business owner or a coach that needs a highly optimized system for their business to increase the number of students or revenue in general, you can hire my team by clicking the link below, and we'll see if we're a good fit and if I can help you out. Thanks for watching.